Welcome back to Moving to Hampton Roads. My name is David Tortellini, and today I have a very special video for you because it's not often that I do a video on someone else's listing, but this one was just too good to pass up. I've been wanting to show it to you for a little while now. This is 111 Creekview in Hampton, Virginia. This is a 5-acre horse farm in the Fox Hill area of Hampton. Just such a rare special opportunity to get this kind of land, this size of a home, almost 5,500 square feet in Hampton. So this is just so special. I'm very excited to show it to you. This is listed with Brittany Stallute of Long and Foster, and I am just really excited. There's a broker open going on right now, so we were able to get into the home and do a video tour for you of the entire house. So that's what we'll do. I'm going to go into the home, tell you everything you need to know about it. We'll walk the land. I'll show you the horse stables and really just why you should be looking at a gorgeous property like this one. All right, let's head on inside. Before we head in the home, I do want to take you down Creekview Lane so you can see what it's like entering the property. And as you can see, it's just a 1-lane road. So it's really just this quaint place. There are 10 homes total down this way, and you're surrounded by other luxury homes, other horse owners, lots of acreage, tons of space between the homes. So it really is a very special little place where of the homes in all of Hampton that have this kind of space, this is probably about half of them. So for a city of about 145,000 people, these are really special lots that we have here. So just heading on down in, and then you turn in, you've got this great circular driveway, makes it really easy to get in and out for you, and you can head down to the right there, down towards the stables. So let's go into the house from here. As I mentioned, there is a broker open going on right now, so you're going to see a couple other agents floating around, but not a problem. So in this home, we're going to have 10-foot ceilings here on the first floor, but this is a 5,446 square foot home. We're going to see a total of 5 bedrooms and 6.5 bathrooms, including the room that's over the garage. So got a full wet bar. You see the plastic down on the carpet there. That's because all the carpet that you do see in the house is all brand new. That's all been replaced. I'm sure carpet can be a little challenging to keep clean all the time with the horses and the large yard space. So, you know, it's good to have that fresh so you can get in and then kind of make it your own over time. But you have a really huge kitchen here. You got the double wall ovens, and it really is just a beautiful, well-designed space. So one of the fireplaces that you're going to see is propane, and the other is wood burning. And just as you go through the house, you're going to see the kind of space that you would want in a luxury property like this in Hampton. And, you know, as we kind of go through the house, there are going to be some periods where I'm going to turn it over to the music, just let the music play and continue to show the property around, because I do think it really does speak for itself. And as we head down the hall here, you're going to see a really versatile space because this is a full bath right here. Let me get the shower for you. And this room right here is an amazing office. But if you had somebody staying with you, living at your house, who needed a first floor bedroom, this could be converted into a bedroom as well. So there's some opportunity there, or you just use it as a guest bedroom. These 2 closets are both coat closets. And then we'll go ahead and head upstairs, and we'll kind of zoom up there pretty fast. Now, up here, you're going to have every bedroom is large. These are 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. You're going to see an abundance of walk-in closets, full bathrooms, and really everything up here that you could want in terms of space and size you're going to find. So this is the primary bedroom. It's a very nice size, plenty of room here because in addition to the large bedroom itself, there are 2 closets, huge primary bathroom, full jetted tub there, and you'll see in a second you have both the toilet and a separate bidet as well. So if you've ever done some traveling to Europe and gotten used to using a bidet, then you could really enjoy that. And a nice shower there. So
there you have that. So we are upstairs for now. I'm probably just going to let the music play. The one feature that I'm excited for you to see up here is that there are laundry chutes upstairs, which I am very jealous of, and I think you're really going to like that feature when you see it. So we'll just let the music play for a little bit, and then I'm going to catch back up with you when we get downstairs. Alrighty, and now that we've seen the entire inside of the home, we are going to head outside. As you can see, there's even more parking out back. There's more patio and paver work that's been done in the back. And I love this breezeway that connects the main house to the garage. Just the idea that you could use that as some separate outdoor living space, I love. And now you have a nice big garage down this way. As you can see, there's plenty of room for just about any hobby, any kind of equipment that you're ever going to need. And then upstairs, this space is great. Now, I could see myself running my business out of here, using this as my entire real estate office. Of course, you could turn this into a house for a guest, an adult child who's living at the home still. You could rent it out. I mean, there's so much you could do with this space. That does have a Mitsubishi mini split system to do the heat and air, so you know that runs efficiently. So you could really do a whole lot with this space right here. And it has a beautiful view of the barn back there. So pretty neat space right here. And we're gonna go downstairs now and kind of go check out the rest of the exterior of the home. Just a couple other little things while we're talking. There is also a generator hookup at the home, a well softener system, and I don't know if you noticed the central vac outlets throughout the home. So we do have a central vac system there too. And really what's so special about this is the yard. It's just, you can't find places like this in Hampton or Newport News for that matter very often. They come up, once every few years. So this is really just a special place. They had just brought the horses in when I arrived. So you come back here and it is a 36 by 36 pole barn with 5 stalls, a tack room, a wash stall, a hay loft, which I'll show you in just a bit, tractor shed, a shaving shed, and more. So there really is this is a professional setup right here. And whether you have all of your horses here or you are taking care of others and bringing in other horses from the community, you can do that as well. So it just depends on how you want to use it. I'm going to try and get up this ladder here in a sec and get up there and show you the hayloft real quick. Not easy to get up a ladder, it turns out, with a camera in your hand on like a selfie stick. So but glad we were able to go take a look at that, and of course you would be able to kind of do whatever you needed to do there. So just some additional information about the barn, that the stalls are 12 by 12 and 4 have rubber mats over tamped sand and stone for drainage. There's a semi-automatic waterers in 4 stalls, and the tack room has a sink and washing machine. So you really are going to get just such a high quality facility here. It really is. It's absolutely beautiful, and I can't really imagine a more well-maintained piece of property than this in this area. And we're just going to keep walking around the property now. I'll take you around to the other side of the home so you can kind of get a great feel for the entire piece of land here. And just a couple other little maintenance items. The home, of course, being in Hampton, close to the water, flood insurance is required if you do get a mortgage on the home. And the sellers are currently paying $749 a year, which is an incredible rate to pay for flood insurance on a home this size. So hopefully that means that the elevation here is still pretty good. So that's really nice. You know, and you've just got this big, amazing space. You know, it's all PVC fence. It's in perfect condition. The home was built in 2001, and I don't know when the fence was installed, but couldn't have been too long ago because it's in really great shape. And now really you just have the rest of this space. If you are a horse person, if you're a horse family, this really is one of the premier properties, not just in Hampton, but really in all of Hampton Roads. To be able to get this close to shopping and businesses, the beach, all of that, and not have to kind of go out to the middle of nowhere, really an incredible opportunity for someone who understands how special this property is. All right, and that's where we'll wrap it up.
Thank you so much for watching our tour today of 111 Creekview. This is an absolute gem in the heart of Hampton. I hope you liked it. If you are a horse person, if you are not a horse person, it doesn't matter. If you're looking for acreage in a wonderful, vibrant city like Hampton, Virginia, then this is an amazing property. If you are interested in this home, or if you're interested in looking at similar homes throughout the Hampton Roads region, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. My team and I are here, and we would absolutely love to help you out. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone else you know who may be making a move to the Hampton area or is looking for a horse property in the Hampton Roads area. And then, of course, subscribe to this channel. Again, my name is David Tortellini. I'll be hanging out with my new buddy over here. Thanks so much for watching.